Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep talking on the phone. Let's start drawing. Start with Suzy Sheep's eyes. Draw the black dots and then 2 circles outside. Then draw her face. Next, draw phone. Her ears. Draw her mouth and her cheeks. Then, draw Suzy Sheep's hand-holding phone. Draw her body. Her feet. Draw her tail. Telephone line. Oh, that's an antique dial telephone. Maybe many children don't know about this phone. It doesn't matter. You can ask your parents or grandparents. Of course they know. Put the dial telephone on the desk. Now let's draw Peppa Pig. Start with her nose. Then, draw her eyes. Her face. Her mouth, cheeks, and ears. Draw the buttons and microphone part of the phone. Now I use a large black pen to make the picture more visible. Now let's coloring together. I painted Peppa Pig's face in light pink. One side of Suzy's cheek. Peppa Pig's shirt is red. Suzy's shirt is pink. The skin tone to paint the rest of Suzy's cheeks. Use light brown to paint the desk phone. color Peppa Pig's phone with green. Then I colored the buttons on the phone, using the colors of the rainbow. Paint the table dark brown. Now I use gray to outline the figures in the painting. This will help the painting become more special. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.